Did you know that 90% of the world are using 10% of what ChatGPT is actually capable of? It's like driving a Ferrari on first gear. And if you don't know what a GPT is, it's a transformer. It's what powers chat, right? So if you don't know who I am as well, my name is Kenji Lo. I'm an AI marketing agency owner based out of here in Melbourne, Australia. I go around the world talking to all these people in regards to helping them with AI and scaling up the businesses. And if you love the content, please subscribe. And I look forward to sharing what we're actually going to do today. So, this is the thing that will change a lot of your business processes. If, let's say, you're a beginner at AI and you don't know what to do, right? You might be inundated with all these AI tools, right? Start here. Start creating your own custom GPTs for your business because a lot of the time with our business, we have all these different mundane tasks, whether it's admin, whether it's filling out forms, whether it's asking questions, getting insights from actual clients as well. But if you can train your own GPT to do that for you, you literally have your own AI assistant. So I'm going to share my screen and jump into ChatGPT. Right. So to access GPTs, you can jump on the free version. So if you got the free version, you can just go and explore GPTs. This button here, and you have a whole bunch of different GPTs that you can look out for. If you got the paid version, you have the luxury of actually creating GPTs for your business. So if I want to search for a GPT like Canva, for example, I can obviously, click Canva and it comes up with a chat. I can get it to create images. If it's video GPTs, V is a good one. Monday's probably one that's really fun. If you're kind of like, not feeling great and you want a bit of a laugh, Monday's a great one. Humanizers. So for example, if you're always getting US English and you're in Australia, or you get Australian English in the US and you always get the commas before the ands, or you got that long dash, you can get it to humanize your text. So there's a whole bunch of different GPTs that are in the GPTs area or the Explore GPT area. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a GPT so that you can test out what that looks like for you. So there's two ways you can create GPTs. The first way is to create, obviously typing in what you want, and it will create the GPT based on that. The next one, if you're a little bit more technical, you can give it a name, you can get a description, instructions. This is good in the sense that if you use the create function, right, to create the GPT, you can then change the instructions and the knowledge base and what you want in regards to actions to the GPT itself. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a social media hook master, right? So create me a social media hook GPT that captures the principles of generating hooks uh, that go viral, leverage the most influential content creators on all social platforms. Right, so we'll do it for all social platforms. Obviously, if you want to, you can, specifically tailor it to Instagram, specifically tailor to LinkedIn, because obviously each one is different. So I'm going to actually add in an extra step. So ask me what platforms I will need the hook for. All right. Based on that, okay, we're going to send it to the GPT. So when it comes to updating the GPT and making sure it's all up to date, you got to do some experimenting as well. So if you don't like a certain input, you can get it to change the input. If you don't like a certain way it's being presented to you, you can change it. So, okay, so it's giving us a name. Okay, sounds good. The viral hook master. And then it'll also give us a picture as well. So it's generating a picture. So then after it generates a picture, I'm gonna just test it just to see how good it is. If you got certain frameworks as well, you can update it. So, okay, so it's giving me that. Perfect. That sounds good. Looks good. Okay. So if you want to update the GPT as well, you can do it in the configure file. So we'll wait for it to update. So it's giving us that. Sweet. So it's given us a description. This GPT is expert in crafting high impact social media hooks, right? So it's going to ask us which platform, right? So Naval or Hormozi, which is great. If you want to give it specific documents to reference, this is a really good way to do it. So for example, I've got like a document of 100 viral hooks, right? I can upload this viral hook file into the upload files, and it will give me exactly what I need from that file, and it will follow the same structure, which is quite intuitive. So I'm going to test it now. So give me a social hook for business owners that aren't technical and need help with AI. Okay. Yeah, which platform? So I'm going to do it for IG Reels. Okay, so I like these. However, I'm going to get rid of this long dash. Please update to give everything in Oz English. Don't worry about the spelling mistakes. Obviously, it will be updated and without the long dash. Okay, because I don't like them. It just straight away tells you it's a ChatGPT output. So we'll get that updated. So we'll do the same thing again. Okay, give me a borrow hook for business owners that aren't technical and need help with AI. Uh, okay, okay, and do it for IG Reels again. Awesome. So it's given us something a little bit better. We think it's too complicated. Actually, okay, save. Oh, this is actually quite nice. I might actually save this for my own repository. Having said that though, I will update it even further by making when your lunch is how okay. Yeah, so you can get it to update here. What else would I want to do here? For IG Real, maybe something. Okay, so maybe I say we'll make sure this follows the viral strategies on each platform and specifically to the platform as well. It's updating now. So this is a little bit long for IG, right? And I also want to get rid of these emojis as well. So, all right, give me out the outputs without emojis. So it's going to give me the outputs without emojis now. So that's what I really want to. Cool. Do the same thing. Give me the um, okay. So it's going to give me a hook based on that. For IG Reels. It's good as asking me that question because I obviously each different platforms different. Okay, please update to not give me. Okay, So I think this is like a obviously hallucination, right? So we'll need to test that one more time. So, yep. Okay. Give me a hook for this is bonus. Okay, so just give me a hook again. See, it always gives the dash, which is something that I feel IG real. So okay, so give me IG real. Boom, boom. Okay, so we fixed it now. So if AI sounds like gibberish to you, or you know you need it, watch this. Okay, so easiest way to do it, you create. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it only for me because I know this is for test. But you can share with anyone as well with the link. And then now you got the GPT. So the GPT is live now. If you go to Viral Hookmaster, there it is. So that's actually how easy it is to create your own custom GPT. If you want to do something like a meal plan for gyms as well as personal trainers, with I don't know exercises or exercise plans, it might be a fact find for a mortgage broker. It might be certain things that can help you manage and things that aren't sensitive data as well. You can use that as a GPT. So I use it a lot in the marketing agency for brands and specifically their brand voice and helping them with the social media. And a lot of the time, people don't have time. Like people don't have time to do the nitty gritty stuff. So they, leverage AI or leverage a team to actually do that for them. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. I look forward to sharing more on AI and really excited about it. So we'll catch you in the next video and yeah, stay safe. Catch you soon.